Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's visit together Woodland's historic beautiful park. Here's a beautiful entrance. So many big beautiful trees, so many birds in them, a little cute lake there. It was so relaxing to just sit next to and grab a coffee or something. They did have a cafe up, which I will be showing later in the video, so great spot for coffee. So many horses to view. There's even a closer ones which I will show you later on as well. You can see airplanes flying off and landing as well. From up the top near the cafe, you can see it more clearer and closer. There's that little bird in the tree, so many of them around there. It's a little piece of furniture that they used to use back in the days. I'm not quite sure what it was, but it was very rusty and old, just there for display. It's a plane taking off. You can see so nice and clear. It's very, very loud too. It's up a bit on a mountain, so to drive up is beautiful up the top, so you can see the road down below, the airplanes up above, and let's go enter the garden where you can have a small little picnic and the cafe that's in there. Let's go. They've done a really great job keeping the place together. It is falling apart a little bit, but it is very, very old. I'll tell you what year it was built. This is a little view on the inside. all the furniture, all the paintings, that's all like really, really old. It's the originals in there. And this is the outside back here. The water tank, of course, still there. That was there. The side on the right is a little picnic area. There were a lot of people having a picnic, so I didn't really get close to record, but plenty of space, plenty of tables and chairs. And there you can view the horses up nice, close and personal. There was just the fence literally between us, separating us. So they're running free there, and then, yeah, there it is. You can see the cars on the highway there, planes flying. Planes landing, that one was landing. And there you have it. I hope you liked the video, and make sure to visit. It's a beautiful, beautiful little place. Thank you.